Planning what to wear on vacation can be as exciting as the trip itself. Whether you're heading to a tropical paradise, a bustling city, or a serene countryside, having the right outfits can enhance your travel experience. The key to vacation packing is to strike a balance between comfort, style, and practicality. This guide will provide insights into choosing the perfect vacation wardrobe, ensuring you're prepared for any adventure your travels bring. 1. Beach vacation. For a beach vacation, think light, breathable, and easy to mix and match. Start with the basics. Swimsuits. Pack at least 2 to 3 swimsuits, so you have options and always a dry one ready. Consider a mix of bikinis, one-pieces, and tankinis to suit different activities and moods. Pair your swimwear with versatile cover-ups like kaftans, sarongs, or lightweight dresses that can easily transition from the beach to a casual lunch or evening stroll. Footwear should be practical yet stylish. Flip-flops or sandals are perfect for the beach, while a pair of casual espadrilles or slip-ons can be great for exploring local markets or dining out. Don't forget a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses to protect yourself from the sun, along with a good quality sunscreen. Accessories like beach bags, colorful scarves, and statement jewelry can add a touch of personality to your outfits without taking up much space in your luggage. When it comes to clothing, pack lightweight fabrics like cotton, linen, and rayon to stay cool and comfortable. Include a mix of shorts, skirts, and casual dresses that can be dressed up or down. A couple of tank tops, t-shirts, and a light sweater or cardigan for cooler evenings will round out your beach wardrobe. Remember to pack a reusable water bottle and a small beach towel or blanket for added convenience. 2. City vacation. City vacations call for a versatile wardrobe that combines comfort with chic urban style. Start with a pair of well-fitted jeans or trousers that can be dressed up or down. Add a few tops in neutral colors, which can easily be mixed and matched with other items. A stylish blazer or a lightweight jacket is essential for layering, especially if you're visiting a city with unpredictable weather. Comfortable yet fashionable footwear is crucial for city exploration. Opt for stylish sneakers or flats that provide good support for long walks, and pack a pair of dressier shoes or ankle boots for evening outings or more formal venues. A crossbody bag is a practical choice for keeping your belongings secure while allowing you to navigate the city hands-free. Accessories like a chic scarf, a pair of sunglasses, and a stylish hat can elevate your look and protect you from the elements. For city nights, pack a couple of versatile dresses or skirts that can be easily accessorized for different occasions. A little black dress is a timeless option that can be dressed up with heels and jewelry or kept casual with flats and a denim jacket. Don't forget to consider the local culture and dress codes, especially if you're visiting religious sites or more conservative areas. A lightweight, foldable tote bag can also be handy for carrying any shopping finds or extra layers. 3. Adventure vacation. When planning for an adventure vacation, prioritize comfort, durability, and practicality. Start with moisture-wicking, quick-dry fabrics that will keep you comfortable in various weather conditions. A good pair of hiking pants or leggings, along with moisture-wicking shirts and layers, are essential. Consider packing convertible pants that can be turned into shorts if the weather heats up. Footwear is critical for adventure trips. Invest in a sturdy pair of hiking boots or trail shoes that are broken in before your trip to avoid blisters. Additionally, pack a pair of lightweight, comfortable sandals or water shoes if your activities include water sports or crossing streams. Don't forget to bring multiple pairs of moisture-wicking socks to keep your feet dry and comfortable. Accessories can make a big difference in your comfort level. A wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses are essential for sun protection, while a buff or bandana can be versatile for head, neck, or face coverage. A lightweight rain jacket or windbreaker is crucial for unpredictable weather. Also, consider packing a hydration pack or reusable water bottles, a compact first aid kit, and a reliable backpack to carry your gear. Remember to include a few versatile, quick-dry outfits that can transition from active daytime adventures to casual evening wear. 4. Winter vacation. For a winter vacation, layering is key to staying warm and comfortable. Start with a good base layer made of moisture-wicking material, such as thermal tops and leggings. These layers will keep you warm while allowing moisture to escape, preventing you from feeling clammy. Add a mid-layer for insulation, such as a fleece jacket or a down vest, which will provide warmth without adding too much bulk. Your outer layer should be a waterproof and windproof jacket to protect against the elements. Look for jackets with hoods and adjustable cuffs for added protection. Waterproof and insulated pants are also essential for activities like skiing or snowboarding. For footwear, choose insulated, waterproof boots with good traction to keep your feet warm and prevent slips on icy surfaces. Accessories like gloves, scarves, and hats are crucial for keeping extremities warm. Opt for touchscreen-compatible gloves if you need to use your smartphone frequently. Don't forget thermal socks and a good pair of sunglasses or goggles to protect your eyes from the glare of the snow. Hand warmers and neck gaiters can also add an extra layer of warmth and comfort during your winter adventures. 5. Cultural vacation. When traveling to culturally rich destinations, it's important to dress respectfully and comfortably. Research the local customs and dress codes to ensure you pack appropriately. In many places, modest clothing that covers the shoulders, chest, and knees is advisable. Lightweight, breathable fabrics are ideal for hot climates, while layers are essential for cooler temperatures. For women, maxi skirts, long dresses, and loose-fitting pants paired with modest tops can be both stylish and respectful. A lightweight shawl or scarf is a versatile accessory that can be used to cover your shoulders or head when needed. Men can opt for long trousers or chinos and short or long sleeve shirts. Comfortable walking shoes or sandals are essential for exploring cultural sites and navigating uneven terrain. Accessories such as a hat, sunglasses, and a small, secure bag will enhance your travel experience. Consider packing a compact umbrella or rain poncho if you're visiting during the rainy season. Additionally, a travel-sized laundry kit can be handy for washing clothes on the go, ensuring you always have fresh, appropriate attire for your cultural explorations. 6. Safari vacation. When embarking on a safari vacation, the key is to blend comfort, practicality, and subtle style that aligns with the environment. Opt for neutral, earthy tones like khaki, beige, and olive green, which help you blend into the surroundings and avoid attracting unnecessary attention from wildlife. Lightweight, breathable fabrics are essential for staying cool during hot days, while layering options will keep you warm during early morning and evening game drives. Start with comfortable, moisture-wicking shirts and convertible pants that can be adjusted to suit the weather. A long-sleeve shirt can provide extra protection from the sun and insects, while a pair of sturdy, comfortable walking shoes or lightweight hiking boots is crucial for activities like bushwalks. Don't forget to pack a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and a good quality sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun's rays. Accessories such as a lightweight scarf or bandana can be versatile for dust protection and additional sun coverage. A pair of binoculars is a must-have for wildlife viewing, while a small day pack will come in handy for carrying essentials like water, snacks, and a camera. Neutral, comfortable, and functional clothing and accessories will enhance your safari experience and ensure you're prepared for any adventure. 7. Cruise vacation. For a cruise vacation, versatility and comfort are key, as you'll experience various activities and possibly different climates. Start with casual daytime wear like shorts, t-shirts, and lightweight dresses for lounging by the pool or exploring ports of call. Swimwear is essential, along with cover-ups that can easily transition from the pool to lunch or excursions. Evening attire on a cruise can vary depending on the dress code of the cruise line, so check ahead and pack accordingly. Most cruises have casual nights and a few formal nights. For casual evenings, a sundress or nice pants with a blouse for women and khakis or dress pants with a collared shirt for men are appropriate. For formal nights, a cocktail dress or gown for women and a suit or dress shirt with slacks for men will suffice. Comfortable footwear is a must, including sandals, flip-flops for the pool, and casual shoes for excursions. A pair of dressier shoes or heels for formal nights will complete your evening outfits. Don't forget essentials like a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and a light jacket or sweater for cooler evenings or air-conditioned indoor areas. Packing versatile, mix-and-match clothing items will help you stay stylish and comfortable throughout your cruise. 8. Festival vacation. For a festival vacation, prioritize comfort, practicality, and a bit of flair to match the vibrant atmosphere. Start with lightweight, breathable fabrics that can keep you cool and comfortable during long days of dancing and exploring. Opt for casual yet stylish outfits like shorts, tank tops, sundresses, and skirts that are easy to move in and express your personal style. Footwear is crucial for festival comfort. Choose sturdy, comfortable shoes like sneakers, ankle boots, or sandals with good support, as you'll likely be on your feet for extended periods. A small backpack or crossbody bag is essential for carrying essentials like water, snacks, sunscreen, and personal items while keeping your hands free. Accessories can enhance your festival look while providing practical benefits. A wide-brimmed hat or cap and sunglasses will protect you from the sun, while a lightweight scarf or bandana can serve multiple purposes, from dust protection to adding a stylish touch to your outfit. Layering options like a lightweight jacket or hoodie are also useful for cooler evenings. Express your creativity and embrace the festival spirit with your wardrobe, ensuring you stay comfortable and ready for fun. 9. Mountain vacation. For a mountain vacation, layering is crucial due to the variable weather conditions often encountered at higher altitudes. Begin with moisture-wicking base layers that keep you dry and warm. Thermal tops and bottoms made from materials like merino wool or synthetic fibers are excellent choices. Add mid-layers such as fleece jackets or insulated vests that provide warmth without adding bulk. Your outer layer should be windproof and waterproof to protect against the elements. A high-quality, breathable jacket and durable hiking pants are essential. For footwear, invest in sturdy hiking boots that offer good ankle support and are waterproof. Additionally, pack several pairs of moisture-wicking socks to keep your feet dry and comfortable during long hikes. Accessories for a mountain vacation should include a warm hat, gloves, and a scarf or neck gaiter to protect against the cold. Sunglasses with UV protection are important for shielding your eyes from the sun's glare on snow or rocky surfaces. A hydration pack or water bottle, along with a reliable backpack for carrying essentials like snacks, a map, and a first aid kit, will ensure you're prepared for all your mountain adventures. 10. Tropical rainforest vacation. For a tropical rainforest vacation, prioritize lightweight, quick-drying clothing that offers protection from the sun and insects. Start with moisture-wicking shirts and pants made from breathable fabrics like nylon or polyester. Long sleeves and pants are recommended to protect your skin from insect bites and scratches from vegetation. Footwear should be waterproof and comfortable for walking on potentially slippery and uneven terrain. Lightweight hiking boots or water shoes are ideal for this environment. Don't forget to pack several pairs of moisture-wicking socks and consider bringing gaiters to keep debris out of your shoes. Essential accessories for a rainforest trip include a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses for sun protection, as well as a high-quality insect repellent. A lightweight, packable rain jacket is crucial for sudden downpours, and a quick dry towel can be handy. A waterproof backpack or dry bags will protect your belongings from moisture. Additionally, bring a reusable water bottle, a small first aid kit, and a flashlight or headlamp for navigating in low-light conditions. Staying prepared with the right clothing and gear will help you enjoy the beauty and biodiversity of the rainforest comfortably and safely. No matter where your vacation takes you, planning your wardrobe thoughtfully can significantly enhance your travel experience. Whether you're lounging on a beach, exploring a bustling city, embarking on an adventurous safari, cruising the high seas, or enjoying a vibrant festival, the right clothing and accessories will ensure you're comfortable, stylish, and prepared for any activity. By focusing on versatility, comfort, and practicality, you can create a vacation wardrobe that meets your needs and makes packing a breeze. With these tips, you'll be ready to embrace every moment of your adventure, wherever it may lead you.